Hi, my name is Natalia Ostrovskaya. I work at Fort Knowledge as an instructor of project management classes. You can put a different spin on your career. No matter what your past was, by learning project management, you can add a different aspect to your career. And will be able to talk about your previous experience in the way that you would never be able to talk about before. This week's topic is time management. Let's take a look at time management. Time management is a very important topic. So the very first slide, we're looking at defining activities. Defining activities is one of the major processes of project time management. Identifying the actions necessary to produce the project deliverables, that's what defining activities is. And it's a part of planning process group. The define activities process involves identifying and documenting the activities that are necessary to produce the project deliverables, identifying a WBS. WBS is a work breakdown structure, and we're going to be talking more about the work breakdown structure during the class. The next slide is sequencing activities. Let's take a look at the next slide. Determining and defining the logical relationships among the project activities. This is the sequencing activities. It is a part of the planning process group. After the activities are identified, the sequence activities process is used to put them in order and show the logical relationships among them. Except for the first and last activities on the network diagram, every other activity has at least one predecessor and one successor. As you can see, we're mentioning many terms here: network diagram, WBS, predecessor, successor. All of them you're going to learn taking our class. The main output of activity sequences is a project schedule network diagram that shows the critical path. Critical path is another very important aspect, but again, we'll give you more details as you attend the classes. The next process that relates to this topic is developing the schedule. So developing the schedule is analyzing the project activities, duration estimates, dependencies, resource requirements, and schedule constraints to create a schedule for project work. And it's also a part of the planning process group. The develop schedule process is the culmination of analyzing activity resources, sequences, duration, and schedule constraints to develop a realistic project schedule. Typically, this information is entered to a project management scheduling tool so the project manager can determine the planned start and finish dates for all project activities. Schedule development is an iterative process which continues as work progresses. Changes are approved and risks occur. The schedule is calendar-based, time estimates are not. During the develop schedule process, the time estimates are converted into a schedule by applying the timeline-based estimate of activity duration to the project calendar. The main output of the develop schedule process is the project schedule. That's it for today for the time management. If you have more questions, please feel free to request any other additional videos and contact us by letting us know what your questions or concerns are. And please make sure to put your comments in the section below. Thank you.